Hello, this is Jules from VR Tracker to tell you today about the latest updates in the Unity plugin in version 3.5 that is currently on GitHub. So we've done the first change is about the pairing. You know that you have to associate your trackers to the users. This is saved in your device, in your headset or in your PC. But the issue that there was is that you had to start with the pairing scene. Today it is not the case anymore. As you can see in my main game, here I have a pairing object, and I have the pairing scene and the game scene, which is not this one is not mandatory, but I can add it main game. So what it will do is that when the game starts, it will start with the main scene. So the player will already be in the main game, and it will check if the tracker can be associated and paired directly or not. If not, then it will load the pairing scene, but it won't load it unless you have to do some pairing. So that makes it easier. That's also better because when you develop, you don't have to do some back and forth between the pairing scene and the main game to work. It can be a bit annoying. So that's the first big point. The second one is that you can see that under my VR Tracker objects, there used to be only tags, just like this one. No, this one is actually not working anymore. So no, we consider that a tracker, a tag, like this one, it can be, we can connect to a tracker multiple endpoints. So this is what we call the endpoints. And the endpoints can have orientation and position, or position. Mostly because we started working on body tracking and having trackers connected to one tracker, and sending also position and orientation info. So one tracker was not needed to be separated into multiple endpoints so that each endpoint would have its position and orientation. So that's how it works now. Now you have your tag, and under that you will have to create so the tag with the VRT tag script, and you will have to create children game object for each endpoint. So if you have only one simple tracker, it's just one endpoint, and the endpoint ID will be the main because it's the main tracker. Those things under are just for debug, as we're currently working on the second LED correction. So you just have to do that. You will do the same on the head. And if you add, for example, body tracking, you could add or end tracking, like I have done in the demo. You can add other endpoints like that. So you could create another, like for example, create another game object, add an endpoint, and then say it's the endpoint 1. So I have the main and I have the 1, and maybe like on the object that I had done for the grab, I will only receive orientation, but that's normal. So now you will just have to check that there is therefore a little change in the VRT follow tag, which is that you choose the tag type to follow, and then you choose the endpoint. So you can have a VRT follow tag for each endpoint. So that's pretty much it on the changes for the new Unity, the current version. It is not like released at 3.5 because we still have to do some check. A thing that is important also is that when you import VR Tracker folder, make sure that it is at the root, just under assets, and that it is called VR Tracker. This is very important. So I think that's pretty much it for this plugin version and for the updates that we've done in the plugin. So I hope you like those updates, and I wish you a great day. Cheers!